Welcome to WTF. Yes, it's me behind the mask. People believe that my faces ain't so good enough to be on screen, so I decided to get this on because I'm here at the Design Market, the night edition of it. It's a place for young people, old people, family people to come, have a great time and enjoy some brand new talent and talent that is ready to conquer the world. I love the collection of people who are here because they are so relaxed with some great music, good fun and good company. So here on WTF, we're going to showcase the best of the Design Market, the night edition. Right now I have a leaf here, one of the most powerful people behind the Design Market. So tell me about this time's edition of calling it the night version to Design Market.
So night versions, basically we're running from evening, from like 2 in the afternoon till about 10 in the night. So we have a couple of reasons why we did that. So the crowd's better in the nights, like people are like relaxed on a Sunday evening, they want to do something, so we've got like the night market for them.
Okay, and what do you hope to do with this platform that you've created for all these youngsters to show off talent like this?
So we're looking at a couple options. Like, okay, so basically we were first trying it out to see how they react to it, if this is something they want, if it's working for them, and it's been really great so far. So we're going to continue doing the market, the physical edition itself, but we're also looking at maybe taking it online. We have a couple of other ideas which we'll introduce like soon enough.
Great. Well, keep following these talented people because they're giving more and more opportunities to young people.